question, Daya provided the following information at 30th April 2021. They have given cash balance debit. That means bank balance is debit, unpresented check 640, outstanding lodgements 1485. A standing order $320 processed by bank had not been entered in the cash book. Prepare BRS bank reconciliation statement at 30th April 2021. So what do we have to do? They have given in the solution, we have to write updated balance in bank per cash book. That means they have not given us a format to prepare cash book updated balance. So what we will do is we will do in our working updated cash book. So we are going to prepare, this is cash book, balance is debit here, it's 863, balance brought down. Now standing order 320 processed by bank had not been entered. That means this was an expense which was recorded in the bank statement. So what do we have to do? We have to write it on the credit side and we'll say standing instructions or standing order, and it would be 320. We will balance it out on a rough working. So 863, balance is 543. So this is balance brought down. Sorry, balance carried down, which is balance brought down 543. So this is the one we have to take it in the account. So we will say, so while we are recording, we will say updated balance in the bank per cash book 543. And then unpresented checks we will add. So we add unpresented checks 640 and outstanding lodgements we subtract. So we'll say less outstanding lodgements. That is, we will subtract 1485. And let's calculate. We will add these two and we subtract. So we get 302 negative balance. It's under bracket negative balance. So this is balance as per bank statement. So credit balance. So that means this is a overdraft, OD. 302 is a negative balance. So it's a OD as per bank statement. This is how we will prepare bank reconciliation statement for this question.